Guys, what's up? Welcome back for another vlog. I am Miss Lovely, back with another video. And you guys, I just really realized that I did not do a formal intro for the video that you guys are about to watch. And I also want to get on here and say that I appreciate you guys so much for watching my late video that uploaded last night. Y'all, when I say I was so annoyed, I was annoyed because I was having my video did not want to save. It did not want to upload. And it was like, I was getting really frustrated, you guys. When I say I was getting frustrated, I was getting very frustrated to the point where I was like, you know what? Forget this. I ain't uploading. Whatever. I was like literally about to give up. But my husband was like, well, Carla, then that means you're not being about what you speak about. And I was like, oh, you're right. So therefore, I had to show up, even if I was fashionably late. But you guys still stuck with me and you still watched the video. And I just appreciate all of that. I thank you guys so much for understanding. You guys were so sweet in the comments. And I just love y'all so much. Y'all just don't understand how much I love you guys. All 4,500 of y'all. Okay? I love all you guys. So this is going to be the intro for today's video, you guys. And it's going to be like more of a relaxing type video. I'm going to be decorating my family area, doing just a little bit of decorating and also cooking for my family. And that's it for today's video. But I just wanted to come on here and peek and say, hey girl, hey, what's up? What's goody, baby? And yeah, and just thank you guys so much for watching last night's video. And I hope you guys stay tuned. Make sure your post notifications on. Make sure you keep looking good. Make sure you keep smelling good. No, you gotta tie it up there. Get a stool. You do need a stool. And you'll need to tie that gray thing at the top.
lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you.
Come joining us all, the feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go, caroling through the snow all day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Wake up with a smile.